ఆమని సాగే ఊగిపోవుమది ఉయ్యాలగా జంపాలగా హాయి హాయిగా ఆమని సాగే లీలగా పువ్వులు గాలికి ఊగా లీలగా పువ్వులు గాలికి ఊగా లీలగా పువ్వులు గాలికి ఊగా సని దమ దని సా గమ గమ దని స రి సని దని సరి సని సరి సని దని దని మదద మదద మద గరి గమ దని లీలగా పువ్వులు గాలికి ఊగా కలిగిన తలపుల వలపులు రేగా ఊగిపోవుమది ఉయ్యాలగా జంపాలగా హాయి హాయిగా ఆమని సాగే. Namaskaram dear music lovers. Today we are here to discuss something that really sets Carnatic music apart. Something that we take pride in, Gamakas. Think of Gamakas as the embellishments, the graceful curves and the soul of a note. They are what infuse life and emotion into our melodies. In the world of Carnatic music, precise notes alone are not enough. It is the subtle variations in pitch, the slides and the oscillations that create an exquisite tapestry of sound. Let's dive into the different types of Gamakas that you can incorporate into your musical practice. 1. Mandra Gamaka. This style is characterized by bending notes downwards and back to the tonic. It creates a rich, profound sound perfect for expressing deeper emotions. 2. Kampita Gamaka. Picture this as a cheerful wiggle of a note. This involves oscillating or shaking the note, giving your melody a lively bounce that catches the listener's ear. Three, Jaru Gamaka. This is a smooth glide from one note to another, connecting them seamlessly. It's like a gentle wave that carries your music forward beautifully. 4. Chakra Gamaka. A circular movement where notes are executed repeatedly, almost like a joyful dance of sound. This brings a dynamic and vibrant flair to compositions. Amma Ravamma, Amma Ravamma Tulasamma, Nanuvalimpavamma, Sadatamu Padamulena Minanamma, Amma Ravamma. 5th, Pallavi Gamaka. Often used in the rendition of Pallavis, it involves intricate variations and elaborations on the main theme, showcasing the artist's creative expression and technique. Now, to really embrace the beauty of Gamakas, let's incorporate some practical exercises into our musical practice. 1. Basic pitch slide exercise. Start with the note Sa and glide smoothly to Re, back and forth. Focus on making your movements fluid and controlled. Sari, Ri, Ga, Ri, Ri, Sa. 2. Kampita practice. Choose a single note and practice oscillating it up and down like a gentle wave, gradually increasing the speed as you gain confidence. Ga pa da pa ga re ga pa 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 ga da sa pa ga re sa. 3. Jaru drills. Select a simple raga and practice transitioning between notes smoothly without breaks. This will help you master the nuances of connection in your melodies. Ga pa da sa 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 da pa ga re 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 ga pa ga re 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 ga pa da sa re ga re sa da pa ga pa da sa re ga re pa ga re sa da pa da sa 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 da pa ga re sa re ga pa da sa 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 da pa ga re sa da pa da sa re ga pa da sa sa da re sa da pa da da sa re sa da pa ga re ga re sa. 4. Chakra sequence. Pick a phrase in a raga and repeat it in a circular motion, experimenting with varying tempos and intensities to bring different emotions to the piece. Pallavi swing. Choose a simple Pallavi and try adding variations using different Gamakas, allowing your creativity to shine while respecting the structure of the composition. Mastering Gamakas is essential to unraveling the emotional depth of Carnatic music. As you practice these exercises and become more familiar with these embellishments, you will find that your music transcends mere notes, becoming a true expression of your inner self. So, let's grow this beautiful community together. If you enjoyed today's session, please hit that like button. It's like giving us a musical hug. And don't forget to subscribe to Artium Carnatic for more inspiring content and exciting lessons that will aid you in your musical journey. Keep practicing, keep singing.